Ta-da! Hello YouTube. Okay, I finished. Amazing. Just work out. So I'm now right now super tired, I'm super hungry. That's it. So let's go to cook for fuck's sake. Let's go with me. You start by marinating the chicken. So let's go, shall we? The bowl. Second, chicken thighs. Just like that. Mayonnaise. A bit more. Mustard. As you can see, some lemon juice for acidity. Little bit of soy sauce. Pepper. Ginger powder. Some curry powder as well. A little bit more. And some cannabis salt, of course. Because that's like kind of, and cannabis salt. Because that's kind of the main thing. So it can be named the title of the video. So it's kind of very important to put this amount of it. And of course, mix it all of it. I leave it for maybe half an hour or so, I guess. For the rice, garlic. Let's chop this bitch. Put fire. Butter into the pot. Melt this bitch. When it is melted, put in the garlic. More or less like that. When it's getting aroma, put in the rice. And now make sure that every rice gets covered by oil. 1 glass rice, 2 glasses water. 1, 2. Lemon. Let's cut this bitch. Into the water it goes. Bay leaf. But maybe 2. 2 is better, isn't it? Come on, you have to agree with me. 2 is always fucking better than 1. And just leave this bitch. And for last, chicken bouillon. Crushed. And yeah. Let's mix it. Come on, we need to make sure this bouillon is all over the place. Nicely. Close the lid and just leave it like that. Yeah, till it's cooked. For the chicken, some oil into the frying pan. And heat it nice and everywhere. When frying pan is hot, put in your chicken. You see, you hear it? The sound of sizzling. Like us always should do. And I always like to cover the lid so it cooks faster and more evenly actually. My camera. Now, time to flip the piece. Look at that color. It's fucking hot. Look at this again. You flip, you leave it, you cover it, and you cook for another 3 minutes. After that, it should be done. Inside about 3-4 minutes should be enough, so don't worry about it. Let's check it for the last time. The color is nice. Come on. Look at that. Yeah. Nice and good chicken. Later. Let's play this bitch. First, rice. Maybe a bit sloppy, I don't know. Rudy. Spring onion. And more cannabis salt a bit. All around. Just like that. Look at this shit. Come on. Let's look at it. It's fucking gorgeous. Look at this chicken. Come on. Look at this shit. It's fucking gorgeous. Come on. You have to admit it. Chicken looks amazing. And then, fuck, I'm hungry as fuck. Let's go eat, man. Oh, hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, like, subscribe, comment. Go to the fucking gym. Make this delicious shit. And see you next time. See ya, motherfuckers.